What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I just walked into the doll relocation and we have some brand new self-checkouts. That is definitely new for my store. Let me know down in the comments, do you guys have self-checkouts at your stores as well? I'm really curious. Look what we have here. We have new back to school items. Now it's not set up yet, but I just wanted to give you guys a sneak peek just in case your stores aren't ready either. We have some really cute composition books, brand new for this school year. It's a great day to do great things. We have smileys and yin and yang. We have life is cool and so are you. Cute little composition books. We have cute little plastic covered notepads. We have other little notebooks. These look very like organic or something to me. I don't know, that's the only way I can describe it. We have purple and we have green. We have follow the rainbow and we have controllers and you are my sunshine, but we also have two more organic looking ones. I'm just gonna call them organic. We have the pink and we have a different shade of green, or maybe the word is recycled. I don't know, that's just the word that came to mind. But yeah, you guys, we're gonna have a lot of new items for back to school, which is also perfect for everyone that just loves the new stationery items for the year. It's really nice to just have like a huge area of these items to choose from, even if you're, you know, not really into buying back to school supplies. My store doesn't really have that much yet. I think these are new though. Highlighters, these are also brand new. The little stylus, brand new for the year. Pink and blue, blue and yellow, and sort of a red and purple. We have some Westcott scissors and the handles look kind of glittery. Blue and red. It says they're medium. They can cut poster board, fabric, and layers of paper. Yeah, you guys, this is a Dollar Tree Plus. So I'm really excited to see what we might have down the Dollar Tree Plus aisles that are new. Let's see if it's anything exciting. We still have the end cap of the shoes that are just $5. We also have this little storage bin and stuffed animal. It's Overwatch. There's nothing underneath the cardboard. I think we have two aisles now. Art supplies, dry erase boards. Behind me, we have some more dry erase boards. This one is nice. Backpacks for $5. Lunch boxes for $3. Behind me, we have Barbies. We have My Little Ponies. We have trolls, the tie-dye kits, craft items like foil flakes, paint, fat quarters, canvas. We have fabric rolls. Bones and foam. This is $3. Has the squishy foam. Pop-O-Matic Trouble Game, the official Rubik's Magic Stars for $5, Play-Doh. We also have the $5 t-shirts, the $5 socks. These are new, $5 leggings. This is a really great deal. The $5 lightning cable, this is a great deal. It's 4 feet. Light bars, shower speakers, gaming mice, headphones. All of these items are just $5. Behind me, we have topiaries, little tabletop fountains. Now, some of these items are very similar to items that we see at Five Below, like the Himalayan LED salt lamp. But a lot of these items at Five Below have actually been raised to $5.55. We have some new pillows, red, gray, pink, white. I think this is new since I was in here last. The cute little faux fern. That's kind of cute. I feel like you get a lot too. And then we have this one that's also in the same little sort of basket planter. These are super cute. I like them. Curtain lights. I also noticed since I was here last time, we not only have the Franklin balls, but we also have a couple varieties of these Logan Sports basketballs. They're $5. And we have the PPNC volleyballs. Oh, that's Logan Sports as well. These two varieties, and they're super, super bouncy. Okay, I think these are included as well. The big ampersands. I think this has a light, possibly. This is $3. We also have the ats, and we have the arrows, and then we have these flowers. These are $5. And then we have this half aisle of Dollar Tree Plus items. Bath tissue, 12 double rolls for $5, the 6 giant rolls for $5. A lot of the same items that I saw last time I came in here. I don't know how often they rotate with these items, like if these are going to be items that we can count on or not. I guess we'll just see. We have rugs and mats for $5. Some are for the kitchen. Doormat rugs. Some are for the bathroom. $3 bath towels. The 12-pack of washcloths. I feel like this is a new color since last time. You get 12 for $5. We also have this variety. And this one. Yeah, these are definitely new. Those colors are pretty. And we have this bundle, very much fall. And then all of these containers over here. The large woven baskets. Wow, you guys, these are $3 and not $5. Something like this, you guys know I love Five Below, but something like this size we probably wouldn't see at Five Below, but this is just $3. I was totally expecting this to be $5. If they had this in a white, I would totally grab it because I really do love white storage bins. That's probably my favorite go-to color. Behind me, you guys, we have Downy Fresh, Gain, we have Extra. So if you are a person that likes to shop with paper coupons, you could get a lot of these items for much cheaper. The Fabuloso is $3, the Zep is $3, the Clorox is $3, the big 80 count is $5. They also have hefty trash bags for $5. The Clean Sensation in-wash scent boosters. This is a huge container, 24 ounces. Those are $5. So if you guys have coupons for any of these items, you would save a lot of money. Ajax, $3. They even have Dawn Power Wash for $5, Palmolive for $3, and Cascade for $5. Anyways, you guys, I'm about to start a live in here, my weekly live in Dollar Tree. I'm about to start that, so I hope you guys enjoy coming along with me here in Dollar Tree Plus. Definitely let me know if your stores have the self-checkout. That's totally new in my store. I've never seen that in any of the locations before. But hey, you guys, I'm out of here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.